crafty people, I have this amazing new kit. Every kit she makes is brilliant from Peekaboo Creek Designs, and I saw these background pages and I was like, oh my gosh. She's like, do you like them? And I was like, yes, you must hurry up and make this kit. She doesn't like it when I try to hurry her, but I am going to try to hurry through this video because I made it already once and it was kind of long. So I'm going to make tags out of these images. I'm going to make two smaller journals than I normally make, because I think people may not like the super huge journals. So I'm going to make two smaller ones. And I thought these background images were to die for. So I'm going to use these to make tags for my journals, and that's why I printed them in full size. But I also printed them in 5x7, and that way I can use them for backgrounds in the book box cards. And I do have intentions of making book box cards with these. Look at the bingo cards. This is brilliant. I told her I loved it. These I'm going to use as sentiments on cards, but they'll be great no matter how you want to use them. Just really, really super Christmassy, traditional little fairy images. And if you like fairies, you got to get this. You can make cards, you can make journals, you can make mini albums, you can make a banner, you can alter things, you can make an explosion box. I can only imagine an explosion box with this kit. Oh, this is the one I cut already. There's a lot of cute little fairy sayings going on. So I will link a link to this exact kit in the description box down below the video, and you just have to click the link and it'll take you right there. It is so reasonable. The prices for these digital kits. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, there are some digital kits out there that are just not good quality. Everything you get from her is going to be excellent, top quality. She's, where the images may have been messed up, she doesn't use those images, or she corrects them, she enhances the color. She just really goes the extra mile. So when you're looking at kits online, be sure you're paying attention to the quality of the kit, because once you print it, you can really see the difference. So find a creator that does quality work, like Peekaboo Creek Designs, and just follow their store. You can favorite it, and then you get a notification every time there's a new item listed. But if you subscribe to me, you will know, because I will. Well, no, she does upload things that are not full kits, and those I don't always create with. Okay, so these are the images of the background images, and I just printed them in 5x7 so that I could use them for those book box cards, because I make them 5x7. So you can see you can print them in 3x5, 4x6, 5x7, whatever project you're working on requires. Okay, and here are the journal pages. Super, super, super cute. I'm going to go ahead and flip over and show you the back, and these are the background pages. Absolutely stunning fairies. Super Christmassy. I love the pages with lines. And then, like on this one, she has a fairy and a bird. Aren't they the sweetest? She's said she had a hard time getting dark-haired fairies. There are some dark-haired fairies in this kit. You know, we keep seeing blonde fairies. They might have been on some of the fussy cut images. She's got a train. Oh, here's a darker haired fairy. I love that one. And I love that one a lot. And she's a darker haired fairy. I forgot to show you the backs. Okay, I will go back and flip through the backs. We got macaroons. There's a dark-haired fairy. She even has brown eyes. And another. Okay, so here are some background papers. I like this one. This one's cool. I like them all, but I like this one and I like that one. So you got music notes in red and green. We've got music notes, cream on red and cream on green. Oh, for some of these I had to print twice. But you get the idea. This kit is just as phenomenal as Candy Cane Cuties, but really nice to have a new kit on December 1st. So if you've already got Candy Cane Cuties, you got to get this one too. And some of the background pages would mix in well if you get both. Okay, so that's it. Remember, the link is in the description box down below. I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of something that I did with this kit, just to get your juices flowing. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.